Hello everyone, welcome to Photoboy9. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Welcome to another video, how to put Minecraft and Minecraft education on an old iPad, which is what I have right here. Alright, first you gotta go on the App Store. And then go to Purchased. And scroll down until you find Minecraft. And then click on the cloud button. And it's going to say this. Do you want to download the last compatible version? Blah, blah, blah. Download. Right. Next one is Minecraft Education. And I'm going to click on the cloud button on this one, Minecraft Education. And it's going to take a while and we'll be right back. Alright, now it says, again, do you want to download the last compatible version? Blah, blah, blah. Just hit download. Alright, now Minecraft Education is downloading. I gotta go on the home screen. Alright, they're downloading. I gotta wait till this one is done, and I'll be right back. This one is almost done, and this one is lower than this one. Okay. They're both downloading. See? They're both downloading. I just gonna let you guys know. The Minecraft one is almost done. I'm gonna pause this one. I gotta wait till this one is done, and it'll. Oh, got pause. Okay. Right, you gotta wait till this one is done first. I didn't do Minecraft Education, but just paused. And I'm gonna wait till this one is done, and I'll be right back. By the way, do not open Minecraft Education right now because it will show the sign-in thing. It will tell you to put your email address, which I don't want to show. So I'm not gonna open that for now. Alright, that's just the regular one. Oh, this one is almost done. This one's almost done. See? This one is almost done. This one's paused for now. Because I'm gonna wait for this one to be done. I pronounced it wrong. Done. It says installing. This one's paused. Okay. Look at this old home button. Oh, this one's done. Now we're gonna do Minecraft Education. Continue. Right, now it says loading. Oh, it restarted. It just restarted. Started all over again. Minecraft Education started all over again. I gotta wait till this one is also done, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna let you guys know that Minecraft Education is almost done. As you can see, Minecraft Education is almost done. Like this one is. Oops, sorry about the burp. Okay, let's continue this video. This one is almost done like this one. This one's done, but this one's not. Right, this one says installing now. Alright, I gotta wait for this one to be done. This one is done. This is, oh, look, it's done. Right, I gotta do right. Now we're ready. Let's see what happens if we open Minecraft Education. But do not open it. Okay, let's do Minecraft. Just kidding. I thought we were not going to open it. We're going to open regular Minecraft. We're doing a test. Oh, Minecraft, which would like to send you notifications, blah, blah, blah. Hit OK. Because we want notification. Right, it's loading. It says Minecraft. And it's loading. It's going to take a while. And I'll be right back. All right. Now it loaded, and it says it's telling me about the Microsoft account thing. It says, welcome to Minecraft, blah, blah, blah. I gotta hit X for now. We're not gonna do that for now. This device is no longer supported, blah, blah, blah. I gotta hit continue. Oh, I gotta blur that out. Oh, that's the name of the character. I gotta blur that out. I gotta blur it out, right? I gotta test it out. Right. Okay, we gotta create new. Do you know what version this is? Let us know in the comments section. Let us know in the comments. Sorry about that. Oh my god! That's the old Create Worlds screen. This is the old Create World section. Screen. Sorry about that. Right, let's do creative. Continued. Okay, difficulty, I gotta choose peaceful. Look at this, guys. This is the old Create New World screen. This is the old Create New World screen. This is the old Create World screen, okay? Do you know how to do this? Hold up, it's frozen. There we go. I thought it was frozen. Okay, I gotta do member. Member, okay. Might have to. There we go. I gotta scroll down. Operator. Alright. Multiplayer. Okay. Now I'm gonna hit create. Right. It's loading the resource packs. And you know what Minecraft version this is? Let us know in the comments. Oh, be nice to animals. Online play is not rated. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, wait. Let's do that again. Okay. Online play is not rated. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, proceed. Okay. Oh, it's loading. It's uploading. Use shears to carve a pumpkin. Alright. Alright. And this is my iPhone 5 right here. I'm not showing this. We're showing this. Focus on this. It's loading. It's gonna take a while, and I'll be right back. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at the loading bar. Look at the loading bar. Look at this. It's moving. Okay. Don't leave trees floating. Okay. You can charge your respawn anchor with glowstone. Right. Ooh, oh my god. This is old. Okay, I gotta change the control mode and gotta change the control mode and I'll be right back. Sorry, I can't change the controls because it's on an old version. Can't change the controls because it's an old version. Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. I can mine. Wait, I can jump. Mine. I'm on creative mode. Okay, I gotta get myself out. Oh wait, it auto jumped. This is great. It says the Minecraft. Right. Done with Minecraft, and we are going to do Minecraft education. Now we're going to do Minecraft education. Looks like this. This accessory is not supported by this device. Okay, and just click on the app, and it's charging. It's by Mojang. Right, okay. Credits to Mojang. Game credits. I forgot. Almost forgot. Game credits to Mojang. Okay. Mojang Studios. That's what their channel's called. It's Mojang Studios. Okay. Well, let's focus on that. Wait a minute. Oh no, I'm not gonna show that. Oh my god, I got bored it out. I got bored it out. If you get an old version of Minecraft Education, then it'll turn into Minecraft Education Edition. If you get an old version of that, if you get an old version of Minecraft Education, it'll turn into this. Right, it's gonna take a while. Should probably pause. Uh-oh, it crashed. It crashed. Let's try again. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. This thing is old, so that's why it's crashing. Got a white screen. Oh, it got this again. This is Minecraft. This is an old version. We got an old version of Minecraft Education, which is called Minecraft Education Edition because it's on an old version. Right. It has that. It crashed again. I guess that's it for this video. Peace.